Shackled at the wrists and ankles, Chad Dorman shuffled into a Claremont County courtroom looking straight ahead. The 34-year-old man's expressionless face similar to how police found him 3 months ago. Stand up! Sitting quietly in front of his Monroe Township home, a rifle by his side. Nearby, his 3 sons, 7, 4, and 3 years old, shot to death. The prosecutor would later say that Dorman not only admitted to executing his sons with his rifle, but claimed he had been planning the murders for months. Dorman in court for 15 minutes on this day, never acknowledging his defense attorneys, but they had been busy, filing on their client's behalf 41 motions. They include a request for Dorman to appear before a jury in plain clothes without restraints. The prosecution did not object to the plain clothes, but replied that it wants Dorman to at least have a non-visible restraint. One motion requests the judge suppress any gruesome photos of the victims, as they may prejudice the jury. The prosecution objected to this motion, stating photos of the dead boys are illustrative of the testimony of the state's witnesses. Another motion requests that the jury pool include convicted felons. The prosecution did not object to this motion as long as it abides by the law, which states convicted felons may serve on juries as long as they have been granted final release from the state and termination of post-release control.
Motions aside, this courthouse will be busy next summer. The judge has set the trial date for July 8th. The prosecution says they should expect at least a month to hear the case.
But before that happens, the judge will need to decide on the motions, which will happen in late November. Until that time, Dorman will remain in jail, held without bond. In Batavia, this is David Winter reporting.
And this is a capital case, so Dorman could face the death penalty should a jury convict him. Stay with Local 12 on air, online, and on our news app, as we will be updating you with every development in this case.
From breaking news to feel-good stories, Local 12 has it all. Tap subscribe and click the links for more content like this.